Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a red velvet cake and we are going to turn it into the pink teddy from Toy Story. For those who don't know about the pink teddy bear, he is a pink strawberry scented teddy bear in Toy Story and he is actually the bad one. He did lots of bad things and he did not end up well. He ended up in a garbage bin. Our cake is going to end up in my belly. Preheat your oven first and let's get baking. This is flour, salt and baking powder. Sift them in a bake bowl. These are melted butter, sugar, eggs, pink food colouring, vanilla extract and buttermilk. Add eggs in one at a time. Mix well. The jam would do. You don't need to add sugar. It's sweet enough.
So tell me why you want me when I ain't nothing like you usual. I don't prance around, I don't fuss and pout, and I don't play the more delusional. So tell me why you call me and say my name like it's a threat to you. I don't buy your wares, I don't swoon and swear by your so worthy eyes of cobalt blue.
Hey guys, look at this! It's Lotso and it's strawberry scented. As I said, Lotso is the bad guy. He did not end up well. He ended up in the garbage dump. But this Lotso is ending up in here. But he looks so innocent. Are you sure we're going to cut him?
Yeah.
Okay. This bear is definitely strawberry scented. It has strawberry cream, fresh strawberries, yum.